Hey guys, this is Ruben Flores, Ruben Flores Jigs. Some of you guys watch me every day on TikTok and on YouTube. And just a little bit over a week ago, we had our Google account and YouTube hacked. And uh, the way it happened to me was I had been getting emails. I get emails all the time for me to do collaborations for YouTube, for TikTok, and other channels that I do live streams and videos for. And I just always been fascinated with them, and I've done some in the past. And lately, in the past couple of weeks, few months, I've been getting just 10, 20 emails a day for me to do a collaboration to help them sell chairs, mics, cameras, whatever it be. And I finally uh, answered one of those and kind of looked into it and went to Amazon and saw, well, these are, real products and some very good products too. And I was like, well, I like that mic. Or they have a bunch of mics here. I'd like to get one that would help out, work with the sound a little bit more. And I'm always looking for things like that. Anyhow, I clicked on the link that they provided for me to sign up. I didn't know that we were going to have our YouTube account stolen, our Google account stolen, my emails, Ruben Flores Jigs at Gmail. But anyway, uh, we, I was freaking out. I was very fortunate to have my wife uh, that was next to me, and she noticed that I was going live on YouTube, and they were airing a live event, some Bitcoin conference. She said, "Look, honey, there's 8 to 10,000 people on your channel watching." And at first, I thought, well, I hope I get some more subscribers and followers. And so, anyhow, how it went right after that, she did something smart. She got on YouTube, reported it. Uh, Went through a process of reporting the account, and within minutes, uh, our Google account and our YouTube account were turned off. And so we went through a process. There are ways to get your account back. Uh, on TikTok, we have well over 100,000 followers. On YouTube, I've only been on YouTube doing stuff there for about a year and a half. We have about 25,000. There is an income that we do bring in through YouTube, and it does help us out financially. We are a small business, and it does help out to have some other revenues of income coming in. And I was afraid we were going to lose that. We were going to lose our checking account and whatever savings that we had. And so, anyhow, I'm so glad that she reported it. The accounts got turned off. And anyway, after that, I was thinking, well, what do we do next? So we had to wait about a week. Every day, I was letting YouTube know through the chats. I was letting Google know, hey, I want to get my account back. This is what happened. This happened on Monday night at a certain time. Um, Anyhow, this is the real me. So we went through a verification process to get my account back. And as it turned out, we did get our account back on uh, Monday morning. And so I was off YouTube for about a week. I did create another YouTube account, which is Ruben Flores. We'll be changing that soon. I'll be putting content on there to build up that channel. But as a content creator, it is tough to start over. We've done that with another account that we had before, and it's a tough thing. Uh, I go live every day. I try to put content, pictures on Facebook, on TikTok, YouTube, to get the word out. Got any new products? It's a good way to get your products out there. Let people know a little bit about you. But if you are a content creator, watch out. Watch out on the emails. Watch out through whatever text messaging. We get phone calls all the time too for collaborations. for all kinds of stuff. I recently watched last night a fella who had been sent an email, I believe, concerning copyright infractions. And as I'm watching this guy who has probably a whole lot more followers than I do on YouTube, and I'm just feeling for the guy. Lost his account, and they scrubbed his videos. And I'm very fortunate that I didn't have my videos are still all on my YouTube account. Photos on Google that we saved in there, they're still all intact. We were not robbed financially, um, but uh, again, we didn't have Google and YouTube for about a week, and so anyway, I'm just letting it be known. That's my story there. You can get your account back, but if something does happen to where you get your account hacked, stolen, hijacked, uh, report it immediately, uh, and that way they can start shutting down your Google account, your YouTube account, your TikTok account, whatever it be. That way they could, and there is a process, and for me it was about a week, and um, again, you know, if you are a content creator, watch out on the messages that you're receiving. And some of these messages that you get, they do look legit. I even get messages from emails supposedly from YouTube, but they're not from YouTube. And they have all the YouTube, uh, uh, you know, just it looks like it's a real thing, but it's not a real thing. And again, after I got my account hacked, I was getting phone calls from people to get my account back, but you have no clue at all who it is. And when the phone calls coming in, it just got to be, and I just thought, man, you know, I do not want to get hacked again. I don't want to be taken again. So anyway, be cautious. Uh, you know, you can get your account back, but if something does happen to you, a good sign of this is if you are going live streaming and somehow you did click on something 30 minutes before, an hour before, and you're doing a live stream on your TikTok or your YouTube, and all of a sudden it goes out, I would investigate it, because there may be a good possibility that you did get your account hacked. And anyway, there's hope out there. But if you do get your account hacked, and I know I'm saying this over and over again, report it right away, because every minute counts. Because these people that are either in the US or outside the US, because they have your account, there's a lot of information there, and you don't want that information getting out. If you can, make sure to give me a follow, subscribe, and Ruben Flores Jigs, RubenFloresJigs.com. Bye-bye.